Hello, I'm Dr. Diego Marquez, and today we're going to talk about the Medit i700, the new intraoral scanner that we now have with us. An intraoral scanner is a device used to pick up images from the mouth and reproducing them into a digital model. Think of it as how submarines use sonar to register the geographical structures of under the sea. Kind of like that. There's a lot of advantages. One thing is time. Time is of the essence. Time is something that we all don't have. And this is definitely one of those things that saves you time without losing the precision, without losing definition of a good impression, without having to take a physical impression, which is one of those things really bothers patients with gag reflex. Yes, actually it works very well on implants, and it is very precise also. We use some attachments that allow us to pick up the position of the implants without having to take an impression again. So it is very quick and it is very precise. No pain. Actually, think of it as brushing your teeth, but without touching your teeth. So this is going to basically be suspended over the structure, and it's just going to be recording everything. Well, guys, I hope that answers some questions. I gotta go scan a patient.